So welcome to this part 2 of the VidIQ Complete Masterclass tutorial. And as we have already covered in part 1, how you can actually deal with the cloud app of VidIQ and perform a ton of features. Now, if you have not seen that, you can find that in the description link below. And also you can find it on the I button. You can check out that. You can check out that after watching this as well, because nothing is kind of related, because I had actually divided it into two parts. The first part, that is the part 1, dealt with the cloud app. And this part, that is the second part, will deal with the extension of VidIQ. So before we go forward, let me show you how you can connect your YouTube account with the VidIQ extension, right? So let's check it out over here. Now, once you have connected your cloud VidIQ to your YouTube channel, you can install the extension as well. You can see over here, you can install the extension right from here. Just click on this and it takes you to the Chrome extension store, as you can see over here. And in here, you have this extension. Just click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. And as you can see, it's done, right? It has been added. So now you can see you are all set. Now, again, it's asking us to go for a paid plan, as you can see over here. Now, I already have a paid plan. I'll give the tutorial with that as well, but I just wanted to show you how to do all this, right? So now this is done. Now we are going to go over to this extension, and from here, we are going to pin the VidIQ icon over here so that it's available wherever we wish to. Now, once this is done, we will head over to actually YouTube. Let me show you this as well. As you can see now, I am within my channel, as you can see over here, and now the VidIQ things comes up. As you can see over here, the VidIQ filters have come up, right? The VidIQ filters are right here, right? You can actually log in within the filters. I'm going to show you how to use all this. I'm going to give you a deep demo of it. In here, you can see all of these are coming from VidIQ. All of these stuffs are directly associated within your channel. And also these are accessible right from within your YouTube studio as well. So that being said, now let's head over to this tutorial where I'll show you how you can use this Chrome extension within your YouTube channel or within your YouTube studio. So welcome to this VidIQ tutorial part 2, where I'm going to show you how VidIQ can be used to grow your YouTube channel, and how VidIQ is the only SEO tool that you need to grow your YouTube channel right now, right here. So that being said, I really hope that you have enjoyed the part 1 of this video. If you haven't seen it, you can find it in the description. You can just go through that as well. That actually dealt with the cloud app, the one that I had shown you, this one, right? And it has a lot of features. Now on the free tier, only this much features are there, but on the paid tier, there are a ton of other features. I have given a complete demo of each of them. So if you want to, you can check out that. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything that you can do with the Chrome extension. So let's head over and let's start. So now once we are all set with the connection, now it's time for us to show you how you can actually leverage VidIQ within your YouTube account. Now, so as you can see, this is my channel, and in here I have these VidIQ things over here, like the filters. As you can see from here, I can find everything that I want to. I'm going to show you everything, don't worry. So that being said, let's jump over and let's start this tutorial. So as you can see over here, this is the dashboard of YouTube. And from here, you can see two places where I can see VidIQ, right? The first one is filters over here. As you can see from here, you can find your recent uploads, your underdogs, what are not performing. That is today's top, right? That is the last 24 hours, what have been top viewed in YouTube in general. Then the trending shorts, you can find it from here. You can find the high velocity, that is videos that are getting quick views, that are growing, right? Then you can find the hidden outliers. That means these have huge outlier scores. As you can see, over 100x, right? And then you can see the evergreen. That means videos that are getting views for a long time. All of that, right? And then you can see the recent uploads, how they are performing as well. All of these are available over here, right? The underdogs that haven't performed that much. So you can see all of these are coming. Now you can go ahead and load more, or you can download this. You can sort by views, or you can sort by subscribers, views per hours, outlier score, published date, all of that, right? So that's what the filters are about. Now, on the right hand over here, you have some things that are coming. Number one is channel stats, as you can see, where it is shown that how much views you are getting, views in last 60 minutes, views in last 48 hours, how are your shorts performing, all of that. Now, if you want to wish to check all the analytics, you can click on View AI Analytics. Now, once you come inside of it, as you can see, this is within your YouTube studio, and right here, VidIQ has access, right? You can see these tabs are coming from VidIQ, not from YouTube itself. The outliers, you can just click on that, and this actually takes you to the cloud app And from here, as you can see, you can do all your research, right? So similarly, you can find your keywords, you can find optimize, all of that right from within here. That being said, let's get back to YouTube once again. And this is all that you get from VidIQ over here at one glance. But then there is a lot to it. Now, there are some features that you need within YouTube that you have found already in the web app, that is the cloud app. But if you want to, you can access it from here as well, like daily ideas, your competitor tracks, most viewed, channel audit, keyword inspector, thumbnail preview, all of that can be done. So let's start with some basic things. First of all, let me show you how you can find the channel details. Say, for example, you have a competitor channel in your mind whom you want to actually see how they are performing. So let's do this. Suppose I want a channel called AI Man. You can see over here, this is the channel, right? So let's go into this channel. Now, once we get inside of it, this part, as you can see, comes from VidIQ. This is called the channel stats, right? Now, on the channel stats, you can see the views they have gained. You can see the subscribers that they have. You can see their estimated monthly earnings. You can see their average video length, and you can see the upload frequency. Now, these are very important stats to track. Say you have found a channel in your niche that is doing good, but you don't have the metrics. Like by good, what is the amount of money they are making? What are the subscribers they are getting? How much watch time they are getting? How do they upload? What is the frequency? You don't know any bit of that. If you have to do that manually, it takes a lot of time, and yet you would not be able to actually acquire all the details. But here, thanks to VidIQ, you can get these details right under your fingertips. Apart from that, one more thing you get, you have identified one channel, but VidIQ gives you similar channels, as you can see over here. Now, if you want to, you can actually go ahead and model those channels as well. For example, if I want to check out this digital dollars channel, I can just click on that. And as you can see, it is also in the same niche. As you can see over here, the views gained, the subscribers, the estimated monthly earnings, average video length, and the upload frequency. All of this is available. Now, from here again, you can see the similar channels. So it creates a chain of them. You can do that. You need to find one good competitor of yours. And once you do that, you can find a lot of channels that you can actually go ahead and model your channel on. So that is a great feature to leverage. So now let's come over to the second feature that it has, which is within the channel. Now, I've just shown you just on the top of the channel, it comes with a box, right? A VidIQ thing. Now let's go deep inside it. Let's go into the videos. Here you can see there are the videos, right? So once you go inside of a video within a channel, you can find important data like the views per hour. As you can see, this comes straight away from VidIQ, and then the outlier score. Now you can see the outlier scores, which are having a good outlier scores, are actually marked, so that you can understand that these type of videos are doing better. Now you have identified a channel like you. Now, not necessarily all the videos of that channel are doing great, right? So you need to understand which videos are the ones that you need to model, that you need to inspire from. So in here, these data are actually helpful to you because this allows you to actually model the successful ones, right? And this is pretty easy to have. So all this data can be right under your fingertips thanks to VidIQ. So now let's go inside of any of these videos, right? Let's go inside of these videos. Maybe this one, just an example, right? Click on this.
Guys, मुझे एक secret
So you can see over here, it has started. So let me pause this. Now, what I want to show you is how this VidIQ gives the results, right? In here on this box, on this display box, you can see, you can find the engagement, the outlier score, and the views per hour. You can see over the time how much it is getting the views. So you can know that this video got views in past, or is it still working? This is a very important thing because there are some videos that go out of trend. Because especially if you are doing something on recent news or something like that, then there are chances that those videos would have a spike of views during a certain time, and then they would drop straight away. But by understanding this graph, you can see it has a consistent views. So that means it is a evergreen kind of thing, and people do come back to visit this. So this is a good sign, right? So that's from where you can learn this. Then you can go to the overview, and on the overview, you can check the channel thing, right? You can see how much subs they are getting, how are the views, and over the time how it is coming, all of that, right? And then finally you can see this AI coach. The AI coach is something that you can actually use. You can chat with the AI and use the AI coach to get different insights about your channel. So that's pretty easy. Now, not only that, if you scroll down over here, you can see that all these data are also coming from VidIQ, like the subs, as you can see over here, the subs, these are coming from VidIQ. If you don't have VidIQ, this won't be shown, right? The VPH, the outlier score, all of these are coming thanks to, again, VidIQ. So I've shown you how to use VidIQ on the channel homepage. I've shown you how to use VidIQ on different videos of a channel. And now I'm showing you how you can leverage VidIQ within one video, and then it's suggested videos as well, right? So that's how it works. Now, going to the next feature that it has is the video packaging. Now, for this, you can click on create. You can click on upload video. Now, in here, I'm just selecting a file. I won't upload anything. I'm just showing you one thing over here. Now, you can see over here, it has got these things. Now, the thing that I want to show is the VidIQ packaging. What that suggests, you can see over here, this is the VidIQ title suggestion. Just click on this and boom, you can see the title has changed. One click and you are done with all hashtags, everything done for you, right? That's quite cool. Now, let's go down over here. Here you can find the description. And here is the VidIQ score that's coming, right? You can see the title, then the description. Just click on this. And in here, you can actually have a description. Now, you can see the VidIQ is suggesting you the description. So you can just click on add and boom, it is added over here. So that's quite cool, right? Now let's go down over here. And in here, you have a thumbnail, but this is a short, so it's not taking the thumbnail. If it was a long video, you could have created the thumbnail using VidIQ as well. So that's the kind of power that it has. And then if you go down over here, you can find the tags, right? On the left-hand side, just click on that. And in here, you can see the tags. Now, you can find the tags that are suggested by VidIQ. You can see, just add them over here. Just click on the plus and they would get added. You can find the score as well, how potential keywords you are missing. And now it is adding them, right? So you can go ahead and quickly add them. You can also click one click, add all, and boom, everything would be added. Last but not the least, you have a schedule post. You can click on that. And in here, you can see the peak timings. That is when maximum of your users are available. This is very, very important, my friends, because this actually gives you the initial boost that you need so that your video gets views, they get reaction, and they get liked by the YouTube algorithm, right? So this is a very important thing to have, and YouTube VidIQ is actually giving you the data, so you can go ahead and publish it at this time. You can either schedule it or you can publish it. That's up to you, but make sure that you use the time. So this is what I called by video packaging, and the entire packaging, as you saw, was done by VidIQ. It didn't take you a minute even to do all of this, but just imagine doing all of this manually. If you have ever uploaded a video on YouTube, you must know it's draining, right? So you can do all of this stuff with VidIQ at ease and like a breeze. So it's quite cool. And last but not the least is one more feature that we have. It's called the channel audit. Now, I'm not going to upload this anyhow, so I'm just closing it. But I just wanted to show you the power that it has. Now, to channel audit, you can just come over on your YouTube like this. We just need to go over to our channel. We can't do it from this tab over here. That is the YouTube Studio. We won't do it from here. We would actually go over to YouTube. Just go over to YouTube. And from here, you can find this VidIQ icon over here. Just click on this. And in here, you have a thing called channel audit, as you can see. Just click on that. And as you can see, it's performing the channel audit for us. So let's wait. So as you can see, the score breakdown has come up. The views per month has come up. The subscribers, the minute watch, all of that is coming. Then you can see over here, you can see the performance of all your videos, the videos to double down on. That means these videos are doing well. So you can actually follow these, right? All of these can be done. And then if you scroll down over here, you can find the top search terms that are getting views for you, the end screen click rates and the card click rates. So all of that you can find from here. And then you can also find the lowest performing videos that you have. So this is also important because if you go inside of this, you would see which videos are not performing that well, right? So you can see all of these videos do need a little work from us. That being said, in here, you can see the average metrics, the description length, the tag length, the actionable SEO score, the title length, and the playlist. The playlist needs work. So again, I'm going to do that, right? So the things to improve upon, you can see over here, videos not added to playlist, and then the rest of the things are quite good. So this gives you your overall channel health and what you should more focus on and which part of the videos are not doing that well so that you can know exactly what is working and what is not. So That's it. That's it for this VidIQ tutorial, part 2. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. Also, I would recommend you to check out the part 1 of this tutorial as well, because that will complete the total tutorial of VidIQ, and you would get every feature that VidIQ has. And I really hope you haven't found such a detailed VidIQ tutorial anywhere. That being said, if you wish to take VidIQ, if you want to grab VidIQ, you can find a link below in the description. Just click on that and you can join for free as well if you want to. Also, there is a paid plan. Now, whatever features I have shown, these are available on paid plans, right? On the free plan, you'll have some features definitely, but not all of these. So bear that in mind. Having said that, even if you take a paid plan, I'm going to give you a coupon code in the description below. You can apply that to grab VidIQ for 50% off for the first 2 months. Also, I have a suggestion for you. If you are grabbing VidIQ, you can grab it at an annual fee as well, so that you pay a lot less. You can also get started for free. That's absolutely fine. And once you find it useful, you can make the payment. That's again done. No issues with that. But remember, if you are taking a paid plan, you are eligible for getting some bonuses from us. If you are taking that via our link, that is, right? Because we get a little commission in exchange of that. And to help you out, we help you out with some softwares. So once you buy any paid plan, just remember to reach out to us on this WhatsApp number. Send us your purchase receipt. We will verify. And once done, we will be sending you out the bonuses. Also, if you are into YouTube and if you want to discover the YouTube SEO power, then check out my 2 top rated courses on Udemy. One is on YouTube SEO and the other is on YouTube automation and AI. If you wish to check them out, you can find the links below in the description. They would give you the best discount. And these are top rated courses on Udemy that can really help you to grow in YouTube. That being said, that's it for this little tutorial. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section. If you have got any questions regarding any part of this VidIQ complete tutorial, either part 1 or part 2, any questions, please shoot it out. I'll be there to help you out. So that's it for today's tutorial. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye-bye.